It felt like, a generation had just got up and left one day. I started to develop a real love for the building just by coming in and exploring it in those early years. You can't let buildings like this just fall apart. My name's Nicholas Ashley Cooper, Earl of Shaftesbury. I live in St. Giles House. I took over the house in 2005 after a family tragedy, you could say. I lost both my father and my brother within about 6 months of each other. We are sitting in the room which probably gets the most amount of comments. We saw the magic in the rooms as they were. So we left the panelling off the walls, we put back all the pictures, and you have this sort of different layers of history going on. And there was a quality in the house already that was quite precious, and we couldn't have created it. When we've bought things in new, we've always tried to make them harmonious, if you like, with the house and the history. That doesn't always mean going for traditional, but it's got to sort of sit right. If we're going to put things in, they need to be there to last. As long as I can keep this place going and pass it on to my children in a sort of viable state, and that's what will make me happy.